What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus I picked up at Best Buy. Came out to around $11.75. Pretty expensive, but I bought one because, well, this is a pretty popular device, and as you all know, it just recently came out as having the highest DxO Mark score of any smartphone camera on the market, with a score of 113. With that being said, I really wanted to compare it to the Google Pixel 3a, our best buy of 2019, which you can pick up at Best Buy also for around $399, and really any other retailer that sells the Google Pixel 3a. Nonetheless, we're going to compare it to the Google Pixel 3a. We're going to compare both devices, especially the cameras on each device, and kick off this video series with a little bit of an unboxing and a first impression. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. But before I slice open that tape, because as we all know, when you're doing an unboxing and a first impressions, you cannot take the unboxing aspect of the video back. So bear with me here if I sound a little bit nervous. Let's just talk about some of the qualities of the box itself. So it actually is kind of this faux leather finish on here. It's not actual leather, it doesn't smell like actual leather, but you kind of get this smooth leather-like texture, which is actually different from the matte finish, that you normally get on other premium cell phone brands with their boxes. So like the Apple iPhone or even the Google Pixel 3a, for instance, came in this matte white finish box. So this comes in a sort of leather faux finish box. Of course, you've got Note 10 Plus embossed on the front in chrome there, and of course the pitch black S Pen to match the box itself. Now, I have not seen other boxes for the Note 10 Plus. I would imagine that they are also color matched, but what's really cool about the black Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the S Pen is black and the box is black, so therefore they are the same color, and it just looks overall pretty dope. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box itself. So I've got my handy dandy knife here, and we're gonna go ahead and cut through this tape. I've also got the Google Pixel 3a off to the side because we're gonna just do a little bit of a comparison at the end between the two. So let's go ahead and get this box off here. First of all, before I open up the box, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in and your continued support. So I've been super excited to get this Galaxy Note 10 Plus for a while now. I've had it on pre-order. The phone is sitting beautifully at the top, just waiting for us to pluck it right out. I'll let you know what my first impressions of it are in just a second here. Got this pull tab here. So we've got the charging brick there, just in case you want to transfer files from your old device to your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is a pretty decent length. It's USB Type-C, which is really nice. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and we'll get into the headphones here. Heard that the headphones are pretty decent. AKG is a pretty notorious brand, and so these headphones are actually supposed to be pretty good. What's really cool is you get this microphone built in and some clicky volume up and down buttons, and what looks to be a play pause button or a button to activate Bixby, which is a voice assistant feature that comes with the phone. And of course at the bottom here is USB Type-C, which is really nice. So now let's get to how beautiful this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is. I mean, it is just absolutely phenomenal in the hand. As someone who does unboxings regularly and who does like reviews regularly, I never thought of myself saying how good a device felt in the hand, but this device feels pretty good in the hand. I will say that. Nonetheless, the Google Pixel 3a, which I have right here, is a polycarbonate back. So as you can probably tell, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a much more premium fit and finish than the Google Pixel 3a. It's a little bit heavier, which I like. What I love actually about Google is the fact that they do allow you to use their cloud storage liberally. So I actually have like my Google Pixel 3a backed up through Google Cloud. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the setup process, log into my Wi-Fi, and I will be back with another video, like within the next day or so, giving you guys a review and, you know, sort of a first impressions of it. Thank you so much for tuning in. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which I'm going to do some camera comparisons with, the Google Pixel 3a, is a big box good. My name is John, and I will see you guys in the next video.